The Google Nest Cam, second generation, is a versatile, battery-powered security camera for both indoor and outdoor use. It features built-in intelligence that can differentiate between people, animals, and vehicles, sending alerts through the Google Home app without needing a subscription. The camera offers 24/7 live 1080p HDR video with night vision and includes 3 hours of free event video history. For extended video history, you can add a Nest Aware subscription. In the event of a Wi-Fi or power outage, the Nest Cam stores up to 1 hour of recorded events. It's easy to install with its battery-powered design and magnetic mount, and you can monitor your feed hands-free with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. Users love the intelligent alerts that accurately distinguish between people, animals, and vehicles, reducing unnecessary notifications. The 1080p HDR video quality with night vision provides clear footage in both day and night settings, and the 3 hours of free event video history is a handy feature for tracking missed activity. The ability to store up to an hour of events during a Wi-Fi or power outage is highly appreciated, providing peace of mind in case of network issues. The battery-powered design makes it easy to install anywhere without worrying about outlets, and the magnetic mount simplifies setup. Integration with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa enhances its ease of use in smart. Some users expressed disappointment with the fact that the Nest Cam requires the Google Home app and is not compatible with the older Nest app, causing issues for those who prefer the legacy system. While the camera offers free event history, users need to subscribe to Nest Aware for extended video storage and familiar face detection, which adds to the overall cost. A few customers noted that the battery life might deplete faster in high-traffic areas, requiring more frequent recharging. Some found the activity zones feature to be less accurate, occasionally sending notifications for areas outside the designated zones. The Google Nest Cam, second generation, is a versatile and feature-rich security camera that delivers intelligent alerts, high-quality 1080p HDR video, and flexible installation. Its battery-powered design and magnetic mount make it easy to use anywhere, indoors or outdoors, without needing a power source. While the camera performs well, users should be aware of the need for the Google Home app and the potential cost of a Nest Aware subscription for extended features. Overall, it's a great solution for smart home users who value flexibility and reliable security.